If you're watching this video, then you probably want to know how we may be able to help. Here at the Timeshare Advice Line, our 3-step timeshare exit process is simple, straightforward and affordable. Step 1 is to contact us today and speak to one of our advisors who will give you a no-obligation quote, tell you the expected time frame and what legal confirmation you'll get once your timeshare cancellation is complete. From there, if you're happy with your quote and wish to proceed, then with 100% no upfront payments, our timeshare solicitors and industry experts will then proceed to legally cancel your timeshare and stop all future maintenance fees and liabilities. This can take as little as around 6 to 8 weeks, depending on the timeshare you own. Finally, when and only when you've received full legal confirmation you're timeshare free is our fee made payable. You have the peace of mind you're now timeshare free without having had to take the risk of paying upfront fees or costs. To find out more information about how we can help, fill in the form on our website or call us free today on 0800 060 8729. Lines are open from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Our friendly advisors are on hand to answer any questions you may have.